Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a neighborhood analysis with Realtor.com easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Realtor.com. Once the website loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the neighborhood or city you want to analyze and press the Enter key. Take a moment for the results to populate. On the results page, look for the section labeled Neighborhoods on the left sidebar. Click on the Neighborhoods option to explore various neighborhoods in your selected area. Select a specific neighborhood that interests you from the list provided. Upon clicking the neighborhood, you'll be directed to its dedicated page. Here, you'll find a wealth of information including housing stats, price trends, and local schools. Scroll down to view detailed statistics, which include the median home price and average days on the market. Pay attention to the price trends graph, as it illustrates how home values have changed over time. Next, make note of the demographic information available, such as age distribution and household income. Use the map feature to visually assess the neighborhood's layout and nearby amenities. Explore the nearby schools section to gather insights about educational options in the area. If you're interested in local amenities, check for nearby parks, shops, and restaurants. Take screenshots or jot down notes on crucial data points for future reference. Continue exploring other neighborhoods by repeating the process if needed. Once you've gathered enough information, organize your findings in a document or spreadsheet. This will allow you to compare neighborhoods more easily later on. After organizing your data, consider analyzing the pros and cons of each neighborhood. Finally, use your neighborhood analysis to make informed decisions regarding your real estate interests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.